that inside here will tell you about how to use all of the items. Welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is technically day 8 of box week, but it's only the 7th box we're opening. If you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew. These are my lovely, amazing daughters, Avelina and Elavie. They decided that they wanted to help me unbox a makeup box this month. And tonight we're going to be opening up the Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty is made by Allure Magazine. It is $15 per month. It is curated by the editors of Allure Magazine. It's really, it's been either like an amazing box or kind of just an okay box. They've given out like $85 face serums before, and then sometimes it's just been like kind of little samples. But recently, I've really been liking them. Oh, we can have a hug. Okay, you ready? And also, we will be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is this box of goodies right here, which is like jam-packed full. We started filling up this box last month, and this month from the items we get in these subscription boxes, I keep some, give some away, and at the end of this week, actually, I'll be posting a video about how you can win that box. I will tell you, you will need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. All right, sit up, honey bunny. You ready? Ready?
It's a secret.
I'm super excited to see what's in here.
It's really a secret. I don't know what's secret.
Alright, so on the top of the box they have a little magazine that inside here will tell you about how to use all of the items inside of the box. I'm going to move that. Alrighty, and then inside the box, oh snap! We got Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser. Okay, we got a good size bottle of Sunday Riley Cleanser. Can you guys see that? Is it focusing? There we go. There we go. So we got a good size bottle of cleanser. Let's smell it, see what it smells like. Oh, there's a thing on it. Hold on. Hold on. There's a thing on the top.
Ew.
Okay.
That's kind of gross.
I know it's kind of gross.
Ew.
You smell anything? Oh, it's pooped out of there. Ew. Ew.
It actually pooped out of there.
It pooped out of there. It really kind of has no scent to it. What do you think? Smell it. Smell my hand, since it's all pooped out on my hand. Smell anything? Do you like it?
No.
Okay.
It smells like glue.
It smells like glue? Well, it's to wash your face.
Yeah.
So they sent us to
I
wash
like smell of glue.
I'm rubbing it into my hand, and I'm not washing it, so I'm gonna have soap all over my hands. That's great. All right, so the next item that we have is Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for dry, parched skin from First Aid Beauty. This is actually one of my favorite moisturizers. I'm gonna keep this. This is a really good thing to have around in the wintertime. It's really good for your skin.
That is fancy.
It's fancy. I know. It is really, really good for your skin. You know why?
Yeah.
Because when your skin is really dry, especially like in the wintertime here in Wisconsin, it just soaks up all that moisture, and it's really good for sensitive skin, and it doesn't get you to break out. So it's really, really fabulous and makes your skin really, really, really happy. Do you want to try a little bit?
I'm not going to try.
Do you want to try a little bit?
Sure.
Sure. Okay. We'll put a little bit just on your hand, okay? Put it on your hand. Back this side. Alright, rub it in. Tell me how you think that feels on your hand. Sit down, Momo. Come on.
It feels good and smells good.
Oh. Do you want to try a little bit on your hand? Just a little bit. Okay, how does it feel?
Good. And
does it smell good?
You have to smell it. Ooh, yeah. It's a little bit, so I give it my friend. Oh, I have to try something, Mommy.
Okay, you can tell me.
In your ear.
Tell me after the video, okay?
Okay.
Sounds good? Alright, next item that we have is Caution Extreme Lash Mascara from Hourglass. This is a mascara from Hourglass. I'm going to put this into the giveaway box. But this is a mascara I've never personally tried, so I actually don't know how this works. Oh, we're going to do that at the end. We'll do it at the end, okay? Don't even worry about it. We'll be fine. Alright, and then the next item that we have is Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday Riley. Deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. So this is a lactic acid exfoliating treatment from Sunday Riley. I'm actually going to keep this too. My skin recently has been struggling a little bit the last week or so. Oh, we can definitely have a hug. All right, now sit down with me, okay? This is really good for exfoliating, so I'm going to try that and see how it works. And it looks like we have one more item in here. All right, and it looks like the last item that we have is BKR Paris Water Balm Ultra Hydrating Glossy Lip Treatment. Ooh, I've never tried this, so I'm definitely interested to see what this feels like. You guys told me this was gonna be a good box. I do definitely like it. Oh wait, nope, I was wrong. There's more stuff in here. Oh my gosh, there's two more things down there. You guys, there's tons of stuff in here. Okay, so this is a glossy lip treatment. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my hand to see what that feels like. Oh, wow, that really does like make your, like, it's super glossy and super hydrating. Put a little bit on your skin. How do you like that? Doesn't really have a smell to it, which is nice. So I think that's gonna be really nice.
Can you smell it?
No smell, see?
Oh.
Doesn't really smell like anything. All right, there's actually still a couple more items here. I thought that was it for the box. Just kidding. Okay, we also have Caudalie Vinyl Pure Serum. I've actually tried this before, so I'm going to put this into the giveaway box as well. And we have Yves Saint Laurent Matte Stain Lipstick. Okay, and I can't really read what color it is. It's something about something couture, but it's a really nice pink color. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box as well.
Come on.
We're gonna put it in the giveaway box.
This is not fair.
We're gonna put it in we gotta give it away. We can't keep everything. You can read it. Okay, so to recap the box, we got the BKR Paris Hydrating Lip Balm, which I'm really excited about that. So you're just not in the video anymore. That's what's happening. I need you to sit down. Sit down. Yeah, that's not it. It's fine. We're gonna put this lipstick into the giveaway box. Yeah, something. I could have done that. Yeah, couture. We got the Caudalie Vinyl Pure Serum, which is going into the giveaway box as well. We also got the Caution Hourglass Extreme Mascara. This is going into the giveaway box as well. We got the Ultra Repair Day Cream from First Aid Beauty, which I'm keeping. The Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday Riley, as well as the Good Genes Ceramic Slip Cleanser. This is the Good Genes Lactic Acid. Overall, I think it was a really good box. What do you think?
Yeah.
Did you like it? Alright, so thanks guys for helping me out in my video today. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. So because we hang out for 7 days, and I'm keeping that commitment of hanging out with you for 7 days straight, I'm actually going to be out of town for the weekend, so that's why I was like, if the boxes come this weekend, I'm not going to be here, but I wanted to make a video anyway. So was my video